First, I would like to say, finally, you get the chance to be a dad. Congrats. Your Honor, if I may share, first girlfriend ko po kasi yung tita niya. So, simula nung halos baby pa po siya, talaga parang ako na po yung second na tatay niya. Ay pinakakatuwa na po siya sa akin na mga papa na nila, kuya mo na nila ate. So, ngayon, John, ikaw magiging tatay na rin soon. Pinagkakatuwala ko naman sa mga anak ko. And I'm always here as your best friend, your tito, your friend, kakulitan, kakuntsaba, and all. So, happy for you. Good luck. Best wishes. And Anne, welcome to the family. Thank you, Your Honor.
Dear Honor, I'm not so, John and Anne, so congratulations. So, we wish you and God bless you on your union or your marriage. May you continue to love each other, respect, understand, and be patient with each other. Put God in the center of your relationship and your companionship. And to John, so kay John, I started to understand how to take care of kids. Ikaw yung TOC ko. Ay, baseline ko on taking care of a family at the onset. So I hope with the family that you'll be bringing on this earth, may you bring it up with joy with God and with abundance of love every day. Congratulations again. And welcome to the family. It's been, sabi nga ng tito mo, it's been a long journey. And alam namin kung di naman yung pupunta. So, this is the finish line. And I hope you'll be happy always in your marriage. Just tell me if not you. Ano yung ka ni John? Ako, bala dyan. Kinukurot ko yan ng bata. So, pwede ko pa rin siyang kurutin. Congratulations. And best wishes. God bless. Thank you.